we don't have any junk around our place. We don't live like that. Yeah, you can't beat old bonnet cleaning for a quick, thorough carpet cleaning. When we're done, you'll see the carpet will look really nice. They always do. Now, there's always things you just can't get out, but normally you can get out everything if you work at it a bit. Let's get this rest of the way out. I'll just playing around with it. You just slow down a little bit on the dirty spots and hover around on them a bit, they just sort of come out. It's not rocket science. If you see something you might have missed, just hover back over it again for a second. Retake it out till you think it's right, and then when the room looks right, go to your next one. Now, if you think that you're not doing a good job with your bonnet, flip your bonnet, or wash your bonnet out and start back with it washed, or get another bonnet. If you don't want to wash your bonnet out, bring 4 or 5 with you, and you can switch them out. Normally on a 2-bedroom apartment, I use one bonnet, and that's a real dirty. One side does one room, and the other side does another. On just 2 bedrooms, or on a living room and a bedroom. These bonnets will absorb a lot of dirt before you need to worry about them not picking up. They're surprisingly very absorbent. But you'll know when it's time to flip them or clean them out or get another one. When you look at the carpet, it just doesn't look good like it did when you started. You'll see. You'll know it after you do it a few times in practice.
Now, when you're dealing with rental properties, you're dealing usually with carpet that's pretty abused and worn out. There's only so much you're going to be able to do. If you spend too much time on the carpet, you may find that the fibers are starting to come out and everything because the carpets are not taken care of. So you kind of have to just get it as clean as you can without spending too much time in one certain area, and then move on, because that's about all you're going to do before you start causing damage. Luckily with the Oreck, you can really scrub a lot before you start having to worry about anything like that, because it's aggressive, but it's not harsh, so the carpets can handle it.
It won't tear the carpets up hardly.
No, you would know, you would see you're starting to cause damage before it started to happen. I mean, you're not going to have to worry about accidentally ruining a carpet.
I wouldn't hesitate to do this on a wool carpet. I do it on a Persian rug. I wouldn't think twice about it.
It's more about what pre-spray you use on those kind of carpets.
Yeah.
Because you got to be careful you don't do something that makes the color start to bleed out and run.
So when you get towards the end of the job, like I am right here in this room, you start looking around to see if you missed something behind you or whatever. And if you did, you go hover it over for a second and fix her on up, and you're in business. You see anything missed?
Yeah, try to see if that's a bug.
It's something stuck in the carpet fiber. Candy or something. I'm not worried about it. Here's the dirt, a bad traffic lane, so I'll hit it a little more just to make sure.
Of course, we're going to rake these.
We will as soon as we're done with both of them. So.
Yeah, walk around a little bit. All the stains.
Different?
No, the stains seem to be gone.
I think we're good. Time to go to the next one.
There's a little candy along the wall over here, but that's that's not going to be a big deal. I'm open this closet so it can get some airflow. We'll leave the ceiling fans on while we're working, but when we get done raking, we'll shut those off, because just in case the fan shorts out or something like that and you have a fire, you don't want it to be something that you are responsible for. And the housekeeper is not done working in here, so hopefully he won't walk on the carpets when we get done, but we'll see what happens. Now there's some stains, there's some things there where the carpet's been bleached out by something, some hydrogen peroxide or a little bleach got spilled. That's not coming out. You're not going to be able to fix that.
This is probably where the
don't forget the closet this time.
This is probably where the adults stay, because this carpet's a lot cleaner, and the one we just did had a lot of drink spills, so that's probably the kid.